Welcome to Melita's Delicacies. Friends, today I'm going to cook authentic Goan Chicken Xacuti with freshly roasted spices and coconut and ground into paste. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and do watch this video till the end so you do not miss any important step in making this authentic chicken xacuti. So here I have taken 1.5 kg of chicken. I have marinated it with salt and ginger garlic paste and I'm keeping it aside for 30 minutes to get marinated. Here I have 1.5 cup of freshly grated coconut which I will be dry roasting. Here I have about 10 Canton chilies and 4 Kashmiri chilies. Now Canton chilies are spicy and Kashmiri chilies will give a good color. Now here I have 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of poppy seeds, and here I have some otba salt about which I had told in my mushroom xacuti recipe, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 1 star anise, about 5 cloves, must not use too many cloves, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds and about 10 peppercorns, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 stoneflower petals. About this also I had told in my other recipes. A piece of mace, 2 black cardamom and about 4-5 green cardamom. Now both gives very good aroma to the dish. Black cardamom is not much used in Goan cuisine, but I prefer to use it because of its digestive health benefits. And here I have Shah geera or Shahi geera. It gives a strong flavor to the masala. You can see that it is fine and long in shape compared to the normal cumin seeds or the geera, and it is very good for digestion and flatulence. You can see the difference in this is our normal geera and this is the Shahi geera. So here are the ingredients. Now we will dry roast them till all the ingredients gets aromatic, and 1 sliced onion to be dry roasted. Dry roasting the spices drives off the excess moisture, and it also enhances the aromas of the spices and the flavors of your dish as it gets cooked, and you get better health benefits too. Dry roast them till slightly the color of the spices change and they turn aromatic. If you burn the spices, they will turn bitter. My other spices are ready and I am removing them off the pan. Now all this roasting has to be done on medium flame. It takes little time but it's worth it. Dry roast the chilies. You can see the color of the chilies have changed. Now remove them off the pan. If you leave them in the pan, they will get more roasted and turn black. Now dry roast the onion, and as the onion gets little translucent, add the coconut and dry roast the coconut as well till the coconut turns golden. Friends, do watch my other videos of xacuti on my channel and do subscribe to Melita's Delicacies for very interesting recipes. Here my coconut is ready. Just before removing, add the turmeric powder and just mix in the coconut. Now add oil in a pan. Add the onions and saute the onions till translucent, slightly, we don't need to brown them, slightly golden, but as long as the crunchiness of the onion is gone. Add about 3-4 green chilies and curry leaves. Now green chilies, it is according to your preference, but I like them, the spicy, the flavor that comes of these spicy green chilies is really good. Add the marinated chicken to it. Saute it slightly and cover it and cook for about 2 minutes till the chicken starts releasing its water and the color of the chicken changes. Just about 2 minutes. Here the chicken has started to ooze out its water. Just give a quick stir and add the ground masala paste to the chicken. You see the golden color like of the chicken shakuti masala is so heavenly. I really love this. Is the perfect color. It should neither be red, it should neither be very dark color. It's perfect color of the shakuti. Adjust the consistency with adding water. Give a good mix to the ingredients. Here I am adding one large potato. If you like it, add it, or if not, it's optional. This is according to each one's preference, whether you like it or don't like it. It's up to you. Now add salt only for the coconut masala paste and for the potatoes, because chicken you had already marinated with salt. Bring it to a good boil, and in between just stir a little bit. Cover and cook for about 10 minutes, and after that give a stir and just check if it is cooked. My potatoes are cooked already. You can see the potatoes are well cooked. Just check in if the chicken is cooked. You must not eat undercooked chicken, and neither the chicken should be overcooked. You can see this. This piece is not breaking easily. That means it needs to be cooked a little longer, and cook it for another 2-3 minutes. Taste for salt is needed. Check it once again if it is cooked. Now one way is to check with a spoon. Another way of checking it is if the meat disintegrates from the bone of the chicken. That means the chicken is cooked. You see, and it looks like my chicken is cooked and ready now. Now turn off the flame, close the lid, and let it rest for about 5 minutes. You see, after 5 minutes, in fact it is around 10 minutes now, my chicken, and you see this is the natural oil of the chicken itself. My chicken is ready to be served here. The delicious, authentic Goan Chicken Xacuti is ready, friends. Join me in enjoying this chicken Xacuti. Goes well with bread, or the best is with sannas, or even with Goan boiled rice. It tastes really good, and we like it more with the bread, or especially with the homemade sanna. Friends, please try this recipe at home and do enjoy, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Melita's Delicacy. And friends, please do write a comment in my comment section, because a lot of my friends, thank you that you write feedback to me in my WhatsApp. Please write about the comment of my video in my video comment box. Thank you very much. I appreciate that you take time to write in my WhatsApp, but I would really be grateful if you write that interests lovely comments in my channel. Do at this recipe and enjoy with your family and friends, and thank you for watching Melita's Delicacy. Do like, share and subscribe to Melita's Delicacies, and watch my playlist at the end.